Do you want to know the red flags of a financial uneducated person? If so, please come closer and listen me carefully. These kind of people have the following traits. One, they used the debit cards for everyday buying. Two, lack of knowledge about the basics of financial terms. Three, ignoring the bills or the late payments. Four, they have impulse buying habits. Number five, no investments or zero investment. Six, avoid to discuss the financial matters with anyone. Seven, they hate the capitalism and as well the wealthy people. 8. They are unaware of the credit score. By the help of this video, I am suggesting you try to avoid the company of these kind of people so that in future you could be safe about the inconveniences produced by such personalities. Thank you.